Hello, it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts, and it's Saturday, which can only mean it is Simple Stamping Saturday. And today I am using the Path to Greatness stamp set. This is in the annual catalogue. It's been on my wish list for a while, and I finally got it, and it's lovely. I'm loving it. You can make some really quick cards with it. So let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to grab a basic white note card and envelope. I've got the large stamp already mounted up on my e-block. I have some grey granite ink, and I'm going to ink it up with that. I love grey granite. It's that lovely warm grey. Don't always want a cold grey. So this is, oh, need to get that middle bit a bit. There we are. There's quite a lot of detail right in the middle of the stamp, so you need to make sure that you get that all done. I'm actually going to stamp it kind of back to front and upside down. I need to see that the crease is here, so I want to be towards the crease and up towards the top of the card. And give it a good press, because there is quite a lot of detail, as I say, in the middle of that stamp. This could be fun. One of the cats has just come in. Eek! So there we are, our lovely, lovely stamp. And then I'm using one of, there's 4 sentiments. So there's, your journey has moulded you for the greater good, and that's an Asher Tyson quote. Congratulations on all you've achieved. Only the best for you today, and thank you. And I'm going to use only the best for you today. Yes, I'm definitely interested in what the cat is doing as well. She's kind of curious as to what's going on, which is never a good thing. So this is coming down towards the bottom right to balance that this is top left. Like that, simple as. And that is our card done. Sometimes that is all you need. Just fold that and burnish it, and there we go. So that is our lovely card. And then for the envelope, I'm going to bring in a scrap piece of paper, in fact 2 scrap pieces of paper, and I'm going to just pop the envelope. So one of the pieces of paper, this is just the reverse of a shipping notice, so I'm just having that there, and I've got the brick wall. I'm thinking of it as a brick wall stamp, and I'm just going to add this across the back of the envelope. I'm going to turn it and try and line up, not literally line up, but have the lines at least kind of horizontal-ish. You're where I would like to be, otherwise known as exactly over the top of the card. And then the last one, again, trying to keep those lines so that they almost not run straight across. But anyway, you get the idea. So that is our quick card done in 3 minutes 30 seconds, including the introduction. So those of you who like short videos, there you are. Just to say, I'm based in the UK, and if you need any Stampin' Up products and you don't work with another Stampin' Up demonstrator, I would love to have your custom. And do remember to give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this, and to subscribe to the channel to see other videos. But if you hang around, you will see the other version. So I've done my quick and easy, which I've also done on a very vanilla card, just so you can see the difference. Literally the only difference is this. The colours are all the same. I say colours, the colour is the same, and this is the one that I made earlier. So those are the quick versions, and they, as I say, less than 3 minutes. So this is what I've done for my first stepped up version. So I fussy cut round, and I've used the light petal pink blend to do the shading, because I wanted to use this paper, which is in the In Good Taste Designer Series paper pack, which is on promotion at the moment with 15% off. So instead of £20, it is £17. And you get huge huge amount because there are 12 patterns and you get each one of those twice. So you get, I think that's right. I think that's right. Let me grab my pack. Yes, you get 24 pieces and it's 2 each of 12 designs, and they're double-sided, so it's actually 24 designs. But I wanted this. Petal pink is one of the colours that's in the papers, and there is a slight petal pink hue in this brickwork. So I've layered it on a petal pink mat and with grey granite underneath, because grey granite's one of the colours as well. Fussy cut the sentiment and popped some of my, still in my favourites, elegant faceted gems. So I used some of the clear ones. And I've got one here, and one here. And I popped some Wink of Stella onto the arch and the pillars. So just this arch, this pillar, and then into the pillars. And then on the inside, I've got that brickwork again. So that's the first stepped up version. The second stepped up version, I got really carried away and did 3 layers. So you've got the arch and the first pillar, then you've got the next pillar and the next arch, and then the background. And again, I put Wink of Stella on, fussy cut again, and this time I've used the white version of the elegant faceted gems, but other than that it is exactly the same, including with the stamped inside. So there you are. We have our quick and easy version, and then our 2 stepped up versions. So what do you think? Would you have a go at doing this with the stamp set? I think most people possibly will look at it as just ones, you know, that's all you can do with it. But look at your stamps in a slightly different way and you can do more with them. So hopefully that's given you some ideas. Do let me know which is your favourite. And if you follow the link to my website, which is below, you'll see some close-up photos of these and a list of the products that I've used. Not many products, really. So, yeah. Thank you very much indeed. Have a fantastic Saturday, and I hope to see you again very soon. Oh, and just quickly while I remember, ordering special for July. If you use the host code and place an order of at least £50, you get a full pack of the Genial Gems embellishment, plus you get entered into the draw to win the mini stamp and emboss machine. If you place an order of £150 or more, please don't use the host code. You'll still get entered into the draw, and you'll still get my usual thank you pack, which everybody gets, which is a card and a little gift. If you use the host code on whatever size order, you also get the 2 card kits that I issue each month. So have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you again very soon, I hope. Bye!